In this video, I am going to share how to fix the loading problem in TikTok Lite. First, and most importantly, check your internet connection. If your internet is working fine and you are still facing this issue, then I have a second solution. Click on the profile icon. After that, you will see the three dots available in the upper right corner. Click on them, then click on Settings. Now scroll down and you will see the free storage option. Click on it. Then click on All and select Clear. If you still face the issue, go back to the home screen. Tap and hold the TikTok Lite app, then click on App Info. Now click on Storage and select Clear Cache. After that, go back and click on Force Stop. Wait a few seconds and then reopen the app. If you are still facing the issue, I have one last solution. Make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok Lite. An outdated version of the app may cause this issue. After updating the app, the problem should be resolved.